here live on location from the CCI Professional Partners at the Hamilton Warplane Museum. I'm here with representatives from Onsite. Tell me, would you please introduce yourself? Tell me a bit about your company and what you guys do for your services.
I'm Matt Diamond. I'm a project manager with Onsite.
I'm Maria Perone, and I do the business development for the company. And we are a full-service property restoration and reconstruction company. We deal with residential, industrial, commercial properties. Our services include fire damage, water damage, mold remediation, and asbestos. We do biohazard and also trauma cleanup.
Okay, perfect. What should a customer look for when trying to source a vendor in your line of work?
So what you're really looking for is you want to have your industry certifications that demonstrate that you know really what type of loss you're handling, that you have the expertise with dealing with their type of specific loss, and that you really have a safety culture that's going to make sure that the site stays safe for yourself and the client.
Okay. All right, and what tips would you give your clients throughout the 4 different seasons?
We start with spring. Really want to prepare yourself for heavy rainfall, flooding, melting of snow. Summer, you want to keep the humidity down in a property. That helps prevent any water mold. Also in the fall, you want to clear your gutters, let the water run freely from the building. And in the winter, you want to protect from any freezing pipes, making sure that your heat is working correctly.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so what might you suggest that a customer avoid when using your type of service?
Well, the biggest thing avoiding is doing it yourself. So any do-it-yourself mitigation or cleanup is risks of worsening the damage, and it would affect the insurance company's dealings too, and delaying an action. So call us when something's happening. Call us right away.
Okay. All right, so what is one thing that customers may not think of related to your company's service in the industry?
Restoration is really highly technical. It's not as easy as just cutting drywall and drying. It's very site-specific, material-specific, and it's also a 24/7 rapid mobilization business. It's attending to a site quickly following things.
So the other one, should we delete?
All right, and are there common mistakes that customers make in the industry?
Yes. The biggest thing is waiting too long to call professionals like ourselves. Discarding items before the insurance company gets approached. Let's see, skipping temporary repairs to prevent further damages. What else, Matt?
Hiring a general contractor.
Yeah.
Someone that doesn't specialize in the work.
That's a good one. All right, well, thank you guys very much. Appreciate it. Hope you like the event.